What is visualization? Visualization is the practice of building pictures in our mind of certain outcomes or situations that brings positive feelings and a sense of optimism. The practice of visualization is more than just hoping and wishing for things to change in our life. For it to work, we must actively participate in the visualization and believe it is a pathway to help us achieve our dreams. Why visualize? Visualization is a tool for bringing what we want and desire in life into material form. Visualizing our future helps us to see what we can do to improve our lives and how we could be happier or more fulfilled. Visualization helps us to connect deeply to our purpose and our vision. What to visualize? Sadly, most people don't use their imagination constructively but rather conjure up negative thoughts in their mind. The practice of visualization is straightforward and simple, but it still often takes continued practice and implementation to be successful. But, as long as we are steadfast and committed, we can usually implement visualizations pretty easily. Begin by choosing a topic or aspect of your life you would like to work with. Ask yourself what your highest outcome and opportunity is for the situation. You may find it easier to write your question in a journal and then write about the topic for 10 minutes to gain an understanding of the issue, where you are at within the situation, and what decisions or situations you would like to envision. Once you have clarified the situation, create a vision for the ultimate outcome of the situation. Visualizing the situation will go exactly according to your plan, or even better. It is possible to imagine outcomes that you think are beyond your reach or are unattainable. Stretch your imagination and open your mind to new opportunities. How to visualize? To put it simply, think about the things you want in life. Write them down as points and then expand on it by writing a full description about each of your wants. Now imagine yourself achieving all of what you have written down by creating a vision of your success. You may visualize lying down or sitting up. Visualization is not recommended while performing other involved tasks like driving, but it is safe to do while undertaking more meditative tasks like drinking tea or knitting. Bring to mind the positive image and story you created of the best possible outcome for your situation. Visualize yourself receiving an award, cashing your income check, enjoying a vacation with your family, signing a lease on a new car, or whatever visualization applies to your situation. Try to visualize the details of the experience and even connect emotionally to the visualization. Imagine how you will feel when you receive exactly what you envisioned, and maybe something even better. When you visualize, you are able to step into a new mental reality and identify with a vision of your best self. You can envision how opportunities can come to fruition for you and can begin to associate good feelings with these images. When we connect to the images in our mind and let them uplift us, we can feel engaged and excited and energized. We may need to hold the same vision for many years, but eventually we ideally will be able to bring some form of our vision to life. Even if our vision does not manifest in the exact way we had pictured, we can probably recognize elements that did come true, or that took a different and unexpected path but still led to positive results. Visualization provides a proven method for exploring mindfulness and engaging in meditation in a goal-oriented fashion. We can participate actively in the making of our lives through visualization. All of the ongoing inventions right from time immemorial are the results of visualization, as someone somewhere visualized something or the other and wanted to get it, and so they went ahead and took the required action for it to materialize. This is living irrefutable proof of the power of visualization. Visualizing is a great way to connect to a new way of living that is in line with what we desire. Taking time to visualize outcomes can lead to greater success and a great sense of well-being. If this video has given you an insight into what visualization is, please subscribe to be notified of future uploads.